Today we are making popcorn, and I'm going to teach you guys the easiest way to make popcorn at home. In your pot, you add some oil and butter, not too much and not a little. Then you allow it to heat a little so that your butter can melt. After your butter finish melting, you add in your corn, alright? Just a handful. Don't overcrowd your pot. You then close your pot and give it some time before it starts popping. It might take forever to start popping, but don't lose hope. Alright, it will pop. While it's popping, endeavor to shake your pot a little so that the ones that have not popped can pop. Please guys, bear with me, I have sore throat today. Alright, bear with my voice. Once you stop hearing that popping sound, you know that your popcorn is ready and all of them have popped. Alright, so you bring it down. So if you notice, I didn't add sugar or salt while I was preparing it initially, alright? So now I'm going to prepare what I'm going to toss my popcorn in. So in a frying pan, I added sugar, allow it to melt. After it finished melting, I added butter and mix it. The next thing I went in with is my chocolate, alright? I had to improvise, so I used Milo and mixed Milo with a little water, alright? And then I now added it inside this mixture and it gave me a sweet chocolate taste, alright? So I mixed it properly. After mixing it properly, and I poured it into my popcorn and tossed it very well. You guys, this popcorn came out so good. Alright, I really enjoyed it and it was so tasty. And come to think of it, this is actually the first time I'm preparing a popcorn. So guys, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know, will you be trying this recipe? And if you need help or direction or a question, you can let me know in the comment section.